Hello, today we'll be comparing ILAVIE 2-in-1 single serve coffee maker versus KIDISLE hot and iced coffee maker with bold setting. And be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. So let's start. A type of beverage, KIDISLE is better. Brewing capacity, KIDISLE is better. Single serve option, ILAVIE is better. Iced coffee capability, KIDISLE is better. Brew strength control, KIDISLE is better. Water reservoir, KIDISLE is better. Heating speed, it's tie. Ease of use depends on your preferences. Technology, KIDISLE is better. Footprint design, ILAVIE is better. Cleaning, it's tie. Build quality, KIDISLE is better. Special features, KIDISLE is better. Coffee quality, KIDISLE is better. Price depends on preferences. Who's best for depends on preferences. Durability, KIDISLE is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the KIDISLE hot and iced coffee maker with bold settings. The link to buy it is in the video description.